Up, I have the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus. The iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus is a great and powerful robot vacuum, and that's thanks to its Clean Maps technology, multi-surface brushes, clean base automatic dirt disposal, and customization through the iRobot Home app. The J5 Plus utilizes Clean Maps technology, which is a precise map of your home that's created through advanced sensors. Now, this intelligent navigation allows the J5 Plus to move strategically, adapting to your home's unique layout and ensuring a thorough cleaning. The Clean Base Automatic Dirt Disposal allows the J5 Plus to empty its dustbin automatically, ensuring that your Roomba is always ready for action without you having to constantly intervene. Not only can the J5 Plus glide across various surfaces with its multi-surface brushes, but it also transforms into a mop for a more comprehensive floor cleaning experience. And just like the Roomba 694, the J5 Plus allows you to further customize it through the iRobot Home app. You can schedule cleanings, monitor your Roomba's progress, and receive notifications all from your smartphone. Plus, the voice command compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant adds an extra layer of convenience. The iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus is a powerful, well-rounded robot vacuum that offers customization through the iRobot Home app, dual functionality as a mop, the Clean Base Automatic Dirt Disposal, and Clean Maps technology. The J5 Plus is a great robot vacuum for those who are looking for one that can deliver a thorough cleaning and great performance. And hey,